Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This hair is from Nadula. Everything you need to know about the hair is in the description box below, and also the link. Can we talk about the inches? Okay, I don't know. I don't even have a mirror. Okay, so I am going to be opening a middle part because I am very comfortable with the middle part. So this hair is from Nadula, you guys, Nadula hair, and they were so kind to send me 26 inches. This is their straight hair. It is Brazilian. I love it, okay, because you guys know I love straight hair. I love straight hair. I love inches. The problem with this hair, there's nothing wrong with the actual hair, it's just that the wig cap is huge and it's creating bumps, so it kind of looks very helmety, which is what I don't like. But the hair is quite nice. I did not pre-pluck the hair. It's very soft, and also, yeah, I did not pre-pluck. I did not pluck the hair, so you can see it's a bit thick. I could do with a little bit of plucking, and also I did not cut out my ears, so they can't, literally I can't hear anything. So yeah, so it's a 26 inch on my back. Is literally, okay, now you can see my whole body. It's on my ass, literally just like on my ass, so it's quite long. So I'm just going to be opening a middle part. It is a lace front, and this is how the lace looks like. I did not bleach it, but I am wearing a wig cap. I'm using the hot comb. The hot comb is from Essence on Instagram. I did shoot this video yesterday, but whoa, Jesus Christ. But I will insert a clip of how the hair looks like before installing it now. Okay, so it looks quite good. It looks flat. One thing about hair is that all hair or all wigs, hairpiece, kafel, they all have flyaways, which is like the short hair that you guys are seeing. It's quite normal. Also with us, we also have like long hair and short hair, so it's not really a problem. This is where the mousse comes in and helps you to like lay everything flat, you know. So I'm gonna be taking the, ooh, this thing is hot. I'm gonna be taking the olive oil mousse. Guys, I legit wanna do like edges, but then gathule, like literally gathule. It's a thing where I am struggling. Even when I do them, it's either they don't stick down for like the longest time. I don't know. Okay, so loving the flatness. So I'm just gonna go and quickly straighten it, pop in my lashes, and I'm gonna close off the video, so stay tuned. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. All you need to know about the hair, well, the link to this hair is in the description box below. And also thank you so much to Nadula hair for sending me beautiful hair, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.